We often link power with the size of a machine, assuming that a massive machine will deliver exceptional strength. Welcome back to Machines Visit. Stay tuned until the end to explore the most robust and high-performance machines that are sure to amaze you. Multi-bar cropper. The multi-bar cropper is a specialized tool designed for cutting square precast piles with up to 8 rebars. Also referred to as the square concrete cropper, it effortlessly handles various square pile sizes on-site. The operator simply guides the cropper over the pile in 300 mm steps until reaching the desired height. This remarkable machine can process 200 piles daily without causing cracks below the cutoff point. It's proven to break piles faster than traditional methods and can handle non-standard piles with ease. Music. Selco SK3500D. Standing as tall as a 21-story building while maintaining a broad reach and stable low center of gravity, the Selco SK3500D is ideal for safely and efficiently demolishing high-rise structures. With a working range exceeding 65 meters and built on a 200-ton crawler crane base, this machine can also switch its front attachment to a crusher for smaller buildings. Its powerful engine ensures it meets all your demolition needs. Music. The Dutchman Space Spades. For those needing a solution for tight row spacing that complements hand-dug planting, the Dutchman's lightweight space spades are perfect. Adjustable from 20 to 28 inches, the spade size can be customized to your requirements. Its lightweight makes it compatible with smaller mini skid steers and mini excavators, ideal for spacing 4 to 6 foot perimeter trees or relocating small shade trees up to 3 inches in diameter. Even with a low lift capacity loader, it works efficiently, weighing only 1,000 pounds in frame and 1,300 pounds outside the frame. Music. Littermaster 6000. As its name suggests, the Littermaster 6000 effortlessly vacuums up scattered items like soft drink cans, plastic bottles, paper, and other debris. Designed to attach to buggies with a tipping tray, it features a standard 500-liter waste container in its vacuum system. Its contactless impeller vacuum ensures ease of use, high power, and minimal maintenance. With a 4-meter lightweight hose, it's highly flexible and perfect for councils, shopping centers, car parks, gardens, and roadway applications. Music. Roadway kit. When it comes to quickly laying temporary aluminum access paths, the roadway kit excels. Its impressive capabilities enhance the mobility of vehicles, trains, and other wheeled transport across any terrain. It delivers outstanding performance without being costly, making it an efficient and budget-friendly way to navigate challenging environments. Music. Cat AD63. The Cat AD63 underground articulated truck boasts a 63-ton payload capacity and a lightweight dump body, with 2 ejection options to meet all mining needs. Its engine, with 28% torque spread, ensures excellent powertrain performance and superior grade holding ability, enhanced by a powertrain ratio update. Popular features include the Truck Payload Measurement System, TPMS, and Cat Product Link Elite, which are standard and help monitor production cycles and the truck's long-term health. Music. Vermeer Autonomous Bale Mover. Vermeer's autonomous bale mover, also called the Bale Hawk, targets a critical part of hay production. Manufacturers know that cutting, drying, and baling hay must be timed perfectly, and hauling and storing bales must be prompt. This machine reduces labor by autonomously moving bales from the field to the edge or a storage area. Equipped with sensors, it locates, picks up, and transports up to 3 bales at a time to a preset location, allowing operators to focus on other tasks while ensuring timely crop removal. Music. Ventrac 4500 Compact Tractor. The Ventrac 4500 Compact Tractor combines all-wheel drive, a flexible frame, and robust engines to deliver excellent stability and control. It performs tasks efficiently and can be fitted with various attachments to expand its functionality, making it ideal for professional users. Music. Tea harvesting in Fukuoka. In Fukuoka, a company called IQ specializes in premium teas, sourcing from top tea-growing regions like Yame, Shizuoka, and Miyazaki. To uphold their reputation for quality, they focus on first and second harvest teas. This clip shows their farmers carefully harvesting and processing tea leaves using advanced harvester machines with small wheels and long legs for easy field navigation. The machine's adjustable blade ensures no leaves are damaged, and a blower helps store the harvest in bags for further cleaning and processing. Music. Spearhead Multicut 820. For a high-performance, efficient machine, the Spearhead Multicut 820 is a top choice. With an 8.2-meter cutting width, it's perfect for heavy workloads. Paired with a 150 horsepower tractor, it can cover up to 100 hectares daily. Its flat underside deck ensures consistent mulch quality across the entire cutting area, supported by a 6-gearbox driveline, slip clutch protection, and 3 high-lift swinging blades for a clean, powerful cut. Music. CLAAS Lexion 8000. The CLAAS Lexion 8000 is another standout, with a front-mounted harvester and a red revolving reel that feeds crops into the machine. The cutter bar separates plants from their stems, and chain conveyors guide the needed parts to the augers. A 36-inch threshing cylinder then processes the crops, serrating them to release grain while filtering out residue for higher yields. The machine also handles waste disposal, easing the operator's workload. Music. CLAAS Moving Irrigator. Irrigation is vital for crop growth but can be challenging when water sources are far away. The colossal machine SRL's moving irrigator solves this with its hose reel pipe and sprinkler system. It requires minimal manual effort, just connecting the water to the pump. With 360 degrees rotation and a 100-meter water reach, it can irrigate 31 hectares in just 7 days. Music. Volvo AL Quattro Evo. The Volvo AL Quattro Evo combine harvester tackles steep slopes with ease, thanks to its 6-meter adjustable harvesting head and auto-leveling system for balance. With a working width of up to 12.2 meters, it maintains high-quality threshing performance, making it a game-changer for agriculture. Music. Finfinite Washing Equipment. For cleaning mining vehicles, Finfinite's high-pressure washing systems, including pumps and water cannons, are ideal for massive dump trucks. With adjustable flow settings from stream to cone head and pressures up to 3000 psi, they ensure fast, effective cleaning. Custom water blasters target hard-to-reach areas, delivering excellent results. Music. Interclean Train Wash. The Interclean Train Wash combines touchless and friction cleaning to wash trains without stopping their routes. Its system reaches areas brushes can't, making it efficient, cost-effective, and eco-friendly with a water recycling system for spot-free rinsing. Music. Automatic Car Wash. Thanks to modern technology, the automatic car wash uses an intelligent detection system to clean vehicles without manual labor. Customers select a wash package, park in the wash bay guided by LED signs and a voice system, And a high-pressure rinse with a water knife ensures quick, effective cleaning based on advanced hydrodynamics. Music. That's it for this video. Which of these machines stood out to you and why? Let us know, and we'll see you in the next one. Music.